Hey, Bob Carr with the Bob Carr Show. In this episode, I want to talk to you about successful garage floor coatings. Garage floor prep is 80%. Let me repeat that. 80% of getting a floor to last you a lifetime. Anybody tries to tell you, big box stores tell you they can do it by acid washing or this full of shit. Doesn't work that way, never will work that way. So let me be crystal clear. It's gotta be ground with a diamond blade on a grinder to get that floor prepped and ready for coating. Don't listen to anybody that tries to tell you you can use acid washing to prep your garage floor. At TLC, we use a diamond tip blade on our grinders. That's why we can give you a 100% money back guarantee. Your floor will last you a lifetime. Give us a call here at the office at 410-721-2342. And again, thanks for watching the Bob Carr Show.